MrBeast just launched his own clipping platform called Vyro, where viewers like yourself can earn money by posting clips on social media. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can earn money with MrBeast's new app Vyro. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And this platform, as you can see right here, is the ultimate clipping platform trusted by MrBeast, Mark Rober, and many more creators. So from my understanding, there's going to be new campaigns constantly on this app. So let's go through this website and let's see how we can turn some clips into cash. So obviously the first thing you want to do is you want to click sign up, and I will actually have the Vyro link in the description down below. And then obviously after you sign up with a Google account or email that you have. Once you make an account, it will then ask you to link a social media clipping account that you have. So if you want to post clips on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, make sure you link that specific account that you post clips on, because that is how it's going to track your stats. So if you go to the home tab right here, you will see there are two current active campaigns, one for Beast Games, MrBeast reality TV show, and then a regular MrBeast campaign. So let's click this first MrBeast campaign right here. And it says right here at the top, submissions are now currently paused as this campaign is coming to an end. But essentially this is posting a clip for an ad that MrBeast recently did with Salesforce, and it's essentially just to help promote them more with the Super Bowl commercial. So this campaign is currently paused, but there is currently a Beast Games campaign for episode 5. And as you can see right here, you can post these on X, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and the payout is 50 cents per 1,000 views currently. So just some minor details. If you did not know, MrBeast has a reality TV show and it's on Amazon Prime. And essentially they need help going more viral with posting clips, and they have a $60,000 budget, and currently 45% of that has been paid out. So if you're watching this video, get on this opportunity because you can earn a decent amount of money with clipping Beast Games. And you have the creative freedom to post whatever you want that you think could go viral. And to at least get paid, your video has to have at least 5,000 views, so keep that in mind. And of course, you can factor in all these idea starters for your clips, and they say clips over 30 seconds usually perform best. And right here, it actually says make the best clip and cash in. They are currently going to award an extra $5,000 to the best submitted in this campaign. And at the end of this campaign, Jimmy will personally select his favorite, and the winner will be notified email, and funds will be deposited into your Vyro account. And just some basic reminders: your like and comments need to be turned on. Don't use any logos, watermarks, weird hashtags that are not affiliated with this campaign. Do not boost your posts to get extra views, because that will not be eligible. And with a high number of clips being posted, content may take several days to get approved. So keep that all in mind. And this is the most important part. When you post these clips, you need to include these hashtags: hashtag Beast Games, hashtag Beast Games Partner. Those are the required hashtags. And when you post on your phone, you get up to 5 hashtags. So for the other 3, try to do hashtag FYP to get more of a reach. And it says your minimum video length is 20 seconds. And as you can see down here, of course, no botting, no stealing, no reposting, obvious stuff when it comes to clipping. And right here, it will have a link to your content to use. So click this frame link, and then it will have previous episodes, and then episode 5. Click episode 5. And then in the top right corner right here, click download, and then save this to your PC or phone, and then import this into your preferred editing software. You could use Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, CapCut. And they actually have a Discord community. I'm actually not in it yet, so let's join the Discord. So I'm in the Discord, and honestly, there isn't too much in here that you need to see, so you really don't need to join it. And so obviously this is from episode 5 that you want to clip, and of course in the frame link there are other past episodes. And from my understanding, you will not get paid for posting these past episode clips. I could be wrong. If you can please clarify that in the comments. But from my understanding, for right now, it's episode 5. And as new episodes come out weekly, they will have new campaigns per each episode. So if you're watching this video a few weeks from January 23rd, then episode 7 or episode 8 may be out in the campaign. So keep that in mind. And make sure you follow the updates to where it's may say episode 8. So make sure you clip the correct episode. I actually have the episode downloaded, and I have it in Premiere Pro, so I'm going to show you guys a clipping process that I do, and you could do something similar, or you could add your own vibe. It really does not matter. So let's edit a clip, and then I'll show you the posting process of what to do after. And I also want to note one more thing. For more inspiration, you can search Beast Games on social media to see how other clips have performed, and you could do something similar. So we're going to go to TikTok, and we're going to actually look through some posts to see if we could do anything similar. And plus, it'll save you a bunch of time. So go to TikTok, whether it's on your phone or PC, and we're going to type in Beast Games. And you could go through all the clips right here. So another thing we can clip from episode 5 that's going viral, where this guy did a devious move to get out another player in Beast Games in a challenge. So in Premiere Pro, you can type in the specific word of the point that you want to go to. So go to the text panel, go to transcript, and we're going to type in survivor player.
Getting out of that was to outwit a survivor player.
And it brings us to the exact point in the video. Bear with me, guys. My mic disconnected mid-video, but essentially with this feature right here in Premiere Pro, you can go to the specific part in a video of a word that you type in the transcript feature, and that's what I did right here. So the next part you want to do is you want to focus on the hook of your clip. So now that I have the area of the footage that I want to clip, I'm going to go through it and decide, okay, I want to make this the hook. Again, you want to make your hook as compelling as possible so you hook your viewer in. So that is essentially what I'm doing right here. Now I'm going to Google to put an image for more context on the top half of this video. And for instance, this guy eliminated Sue from Survivor. She's popular, so I'm going to have a picture of her on the top half to make the video a little bit more engaging and to add something to it. So that is what I'm doing right here, and I'm going to add that into Premiere Pro when I have the image saved. So now I have the image in Premiere Pro, and essentially you want to crop it properly so it fits on the top half. So I'm just using the crop bottom feature here so it fits properly on the top half, and you want to make sure it fits fully. So that's what I'm doing here. For this next step right here, I'm just adding a funny sound effect that will have to do with the video. I'm adding a vine boom, and essentially this is a funny sound effect to emphasize some moments. So keep that in mind. If you can find some funny sound effects off of YouTube, like an anime awkward sound, things like that, you can add to your video to emphasize funny moments. So now the video is all good to go from Premiere. Now you can add captions and a title card in Premiere, but for myself, I'm going to do that all in the TikTok application because it'll make it easier for when posting. But for your own process, you can do either way if you want to do that in the editing software or not. But I'm going to render this video and then import it into TikTok. So now that I'm in TikTok and I have it uploaded in here, the first thing we can do is add text to our video. So we're going to click edit right here. And then here on the left side, you can add your text, and you can add any style you want by going to the trending, basic, or background presets and selecting the style that you like for your page. And right here, I typed out a title card for the video, which is bro really took out a nice player. And for this title card, I'm actually going to drag it down below the video file because I'm not going to put captions on this specific video. I think the title itself is enough context for the video to hook the viewer in. Now, if you want to add captions, you totally can if you want, but for my clip right here, I'm not going to be adding captions personally. Another step you can actually do here, go to ChatGPT and copy and paste your TikTok title card into here, and essentially it will give you more options for your title card, and you can see all of the different options that you can choose from. And essentially this just helps you get more ideas, because for me, for saying bro really took out the nicest player side emoji, that's just the first thing I thought of across my head. So go through ChatGPT, see your options, and if you like anything better, you can definitely use those options. But if you want to stick with what you had, you can definitely do that. But this is just a little hack I like to do to sometimes get more engaging title cards. So for my new title card, I'm just copying and pasting it into here, and I'm having this was actually heartbreaking, and I'm using this one right here because it'll pull on some emotion from the viewer. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going to save this. Now for the next step, you want to add a description. For me, I'm going to put poor Sue with a sad emoji because that gives some context for the video. And then don't forget your required hashtags that you have to have in your post, which is hashtag Beast Games and hashtag Beast Games Partner. So keep that in mind. Do not forget this step because your clip will not get approved if you don't have that. Right here, I'm actually going to go back to the soundtrack, and I'm going to add a sad emotional soundtrack, and I'm going to make sure the volume isn't too high at all because there is already audio music in the raw file itself. But I'm going to do this just so it adds a little bit more to the video. But in this case, I'm going to for this video, and as you can see, all these favorites right here, these are all the sounds I use in TikTok clips, so you could take a look at these and reuse them. Now the clip is pretty much ready. I'm just going to add some final hashtags like hashtag FYP, hashtag viral, just to try to get more reach on this clip. But now it's pretty much ready to go, and we can can now post this clip and then submit it into the Vyro app, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So go back to the Beast Games campaign and then click submit post there at the bottom, and then click submit post again. And then when your video is posted, you want to paste your link into here. So now that it's fully posted, I'm going to paste my link into here, and now it's asking me which profile that I posted it on. So then you want to select the specific account that you posted on. You can have multiple accounts added to here. Then this will show up right here, and essentially you want to make sure you have the right campaign selected. Obviously in this case, Beast Games is the only option, and then you want to select right here where it says you follow the campaign rules, and then once you do that, you can click submit, and then you're all good to go. And so this is the entire process with clipping with Vyro, MrBeast's new clipping platform. And I recently just came across this today on Twitter, so I knew I had to make a video on this and show you guys this platform, because I'm going to assume a lot of active campaigns are here to come with MrBeast videos, Beast Games, and who knows if he's going to get a lot of popular creators on here, which would be a total game changer for us clippers, because it can be easy to get more views with popular creators. So we shall see what the future is of Vyro clipping, but I'm super excited for this opportunity. And if you found value in this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. And I also have a free Discord community in the description down below, where if you have any questions regarding clipping or anything like that, we can all help each other out. So make sure you go join that in the description. And if any of you have any questions about clipping, in the comments, let me know, and I would love to help you out as much as I can. Anyways, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.